How to fix WhatsApp link not opening. Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel, and on this video I will show you how you can fix if you're not able to open the YouTube link in your WhatsApp account. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So for example, I have this link sent in my WhatsApp account. So this is a YouTube link. But whenever I try to click on it, the link will not open. So if you have the same problem, if you have tried multiple times on opening the link, but it is not opening, so first option what you can do is simply copy the link from the chat page that is not opening, copy the link. Now, once you have copied the link, again on the same chat page, what you have to do is paste the link. So paste the link again in this text box. Then you will see the preview of the link here. And from here, you can open up the link. Tap on send, and here, if it is available, tap and open up the YouTube link. But in case if this does not work for you, then what you have to do is open up your Chrome application in your mobile device. And since we have already copied the link, what you have to do is navigate to the search bar and there paste the link. After you paste the link on your Chrome browser, search for it, and that's gonna load up the YouTube video in your Chrome, and then you can watch the video from there. So these are the options that will help you fix if you're not able to open the WhatsApp link. And even if you try this option, if that link does not open, then that means there might be some problem while copying or typing the link, or there may be some typos error. So in that case, you have to consult with your friends, whoever is sending you the link. That's it. That's how you fix WhatsApp link not opening. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.